Hello and welcome, guys. You want to learn and master the German alphabet and sound like a native? In this video, you'll learn everything you need to start. The 26 German letters. How to pronounce special characters. Common letter combinations. Spelling exercises. By the end, you'll pronounce German letters clearly and confidently. Let's get started. The German alphabet has 26 letters, the same as English. Each letter has its own name and sound, but some letters are pronounced differently from English. Let's quickly go through the letters first. A is pronounced like A. B is B. C is like C. D is D. E is pronounced A. F is like F. G is pronounced G. H is like H. I is like A. J is pronounced like J. K is pronounced K. L is like L. M is pronounced M. N is like N. O is O. P is P. Q is pronounced Q. R is pronounced R. S is pronounced S. T is like T. U is pronounced like O. V is pronounced like V. W is pronounced like V. X is pronounced like X. Y is pronounced like Y. Z is pronounced like Z. Notice that some letters like J and W have quite different sounds compared to English. Knowing these letter names will help you spell words and understand pronunciation better. For examples, the letter J in German sounds like the English Y. Here are the example words. Ja, yes, ja, year, Jacke, jacket.
The letter
W sounds like the English V. Here are the example words. Wasser, water, Wein, wine, Weg, path. Besides these 26 letters, there are 4 more special characters. Let's see that. German has 4 special letters you won't find in English, such as A. Umlaut, O. Umlaut, U. Umlaut, Ent, SZ. These letters change the sound and meaning of words, so it's important to get them right. First, A. Umlaut sounds like Eier, but a bit longer. For example, Käse means cheese. Another example is älter, which means older. Next, O. Umlaut sounds like Ao, but with rounded lips. For example, schön means beautiful, and können means can. Then, U. Umlaut sounds like Au, but with your lips rounded as if you're saying oo. For example, fünf means 5 and müde means tired. Finally, SZ, which sounds like a double S. For example, Straße means street and Fuß means foot. I hope you understand the concept of umlaut characters. Now we will learn common letter combinations in German. Some German letter pairs create unique sounds. These combinations appear often, so let's practice them. C. H is pronounced softly after I. For example, ich means I. Another example would be nicht means not, but when it is appear after a, o, or u, it becomes a harsher sound. For example, Buch means book, and doch means however. More example would be Tochter, which means daughter. The second one is sch, is always pronounced like English sh. For example, Schule means school. Another, schlafen, means to sleep. Next one is ei, which sounds like I. For example, mein means my. And another example, zwei means two. The next is ie, which sounds like a. For example, lieben means to love. Another one would be viel, means much or many. Getting these combinations right will help your German sound natural. Now let's practice spelling some German words with the letters and sounds we learned. I will say a word and also spell it slowly, and you try to spell it in your mind or write it down. First word, Schule. That's schule. Second word, fünf. funf. Third word, Mann. man. Fourth word, Käse. kase. Fifth word, Haus. haus. Spelling practice helps you connect letters with sounds match in German. Amazing job today! You've learned the German alphabet, special letters, pronunciation rules, and common sound patterns. Keep practicing daily to improve your confidence. And don't forget to subscribe for more German lessons. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!